Hey, my name is Sabrina. I am the owner of Lilli Productions, and I am here to start my YouTube channel and tell you a little bit about myself. So Lilli Productions started in 2016, and fun fact, it was actually first named Succulent Productions. No matter how many times people told me that's an awful name, I ignored them because I wanted succulents in my logo. But you learn, you do stupid things and you learn. Anyway, so I started as Succulent Productions and now we're Lilli Productions, and the origin of the name Lilli Productions is actually my middle name and my grandmother's name. I decided to go with my middle name, which is also my grandma's name, because I wanted to have a little bit of legacy in my business name, and it didn't feel right to just name it after my first name, Sabrina. And so it's spelt the way it's spelt, L-I-L-L-I, because my whole family is Polish, and that's just how you spell Lily in Poland, so that's the fun fact. I've been making videos and taking photos for over 10 years now. I got my first camera from my parents as a hand-me-down. It was a JVC camcorder when I was 9 years old, and I started a TV show called The New Day is Every Day, and I would just run around with my camcorder all the time. My neighbor was my camera person, and I was actually loved being on this side of the camera. And since then, I went to get my bachelor's degree in cinema studies and journalism at the University of Oregon, and I started to really enjoy being on the other side of the camera and producing. So I did the University of Oregon, I got my degree there, I got a job in marketing for about a year, and then I decided that I needed something more creative. So I went back and I got my MFA, my master's degree in film production, from the Savannah College of Art and Design in Savannah, Georgia. And I just graduated last May, so May 2020, with my MFA. And then I got so I graduated May 2020 from my master's program, and I graduated into a pandemic. So that was stressful. And then finally, I got a job in advertising, sort of creative advertising locally. And it was a great experience and it was a good time. I worked there about 7 months. And then just recently, May 2021, 1 year after getting my master's degree, I decided to jump full-time into my business as a self-employed videographer and photographer, shooting weddings, couples, businesses, branding. And I'm so excited to start this journey. And this YouTube channel is a part of it all. Now that I have time to really invest in myself and you, I can devote all my time to serving the people that support me. I'm rambling here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Sabrina from Lilli Productions, and I hope that you can find lots of cool stuff here. Welcome. Rock on. Oh God, we're done.